So hi everybody, this is the festival time and I know a lot of you are busy planning their outfit, shopping out, some nice interesting makeup, jewelry, etc, etc. Hence the reason I'm doing a lot of haul videos. And some if you are somebody who cannot go outside and shop in the too much of crowded streets and crowded shops, then as usual the Amazon is our best destination from where we can easily place order, track orders and more. So in this video again I'm going to show you some really interesting new different products, especially with regards to makeup, skincare and beauty, that I have recently acquired from Amazon. And why have I acquired them? So I really hope that you will find this video helpful and useful. Keep watching. So in my previous beauty haul video, if you remember, if you don't, you can check over here. I have ordered few not so very well-known brands like Inside Cosmetics, etc. I've ordered some kind of foundations, perfumes, etc. So a lot of you asked me to try this brand called NY Bay. I have heard about this brand, but I was not sure which product I should try. So I was looking for a good concealer, a color corrector rather, from quite some time. So I picked up this NY Bay NY Bay color corrector. This is an orange color corrector, and look at the packaging. I totally like the packaging. It's very nice, very good. The shade that I have picked is orange pretzel. Pretzel is basically jalebi. This is how this looks like. It looked quite different on the website though. I have applied this concealer on my eyelid area today to color correct the dark circles on my face. Second product is also a makeup product. This is from the company called Inside Cosmetics. Yes, we have tried different foundations in the previous two videos. In the last video we have also tried it on camera and see how it goes. This time I thought to try something in a more matte, in a more thick kind of a formulation, and something which might be a little darker in the shades I have opted for in the past. So I picked up this Stay Matte Liquid Foundation by Inside Cosmetics. The shade I have picked is Caramel. This promises to be oil free. It gives full coverage, matte finish, studio finish, paraben free. So I have applied this on my face. Maybe you can have a closer look of my makeup today and tell me whether it's the right shade or not. Thirdly, I picked up some nice clutcher, small clutching kind of pens here. It was a set of 3 hair clutchers in different colors. Basically they said they will have something in black metallic, golden kind of a shade, a brass kind of a shade, and there is a silver also. So I was very fascinated that they have so many different color shades and so many different designs. So I picked this one. It is like set of 6 different hair clutchers with a very metallic kind of finish, and it's basically a metal hair clutcher. So the only thing is that the design that was shown on the system on the page was a little different than the design that I have received. One of my favorite design in this stash is this beautiful star shaped golden one hair clutcher. This is really cool. I think this is more suitable for young girls, like school girls and all. Yeah, so this is another interesting one. Again, then this heart one is also quite good. I think you can pair it with your different outfits. If you're leaving your hair open, you can use 1, 2 as for your hair design. You can also use them for your bun. It's an interesting option. Talking about hair accessories, I've been meaning to buy this hairband from quite some time. Yes, I'm a big fan of hairbands. Pick this one in the very gingham kind of a black and white print. This is from the brand Vogue, and this is actually very interesting, very nice. I love the flexibility. It is not too tight, it won't hurt your head, and they are very handy when you're working, especially in the kitchen. So that's the reason I bought this one. So it can kind of keep my hair in place, and also it's a very interesting fashion statement. Yeah, look at this. This is so easy to wear. Right now I'm not wearing the right outfit for this one, but nevertheless it's very see, good looking accessories. You have something in a band kind of a thing also, but because bands sometimes get too tightened up over here, that's the reason I picked for this hairband. The next product is quite interesting and is making quite a lot of waves since long time. It is not that relatively new, but it's a very interesting product. I have been watching a lot of my friends using it, so I'm talking about this very interesting looking jade roller out here. The USP of this product is that it's made of a jade stone, so you need to put some oil on your face and massage it on the upward direction. It helps in the blood circulation and kind of chiseling out your features. A lot of my dermatologist friends say that this might not be a great idea, and a lot of them say this is actually a very good idea to give your face a good facial uplift naturally, organically at the home. So I could not resist myself and I picked up this jade roller over here. It has like two different kind of heads. One is of course the wider, and the other one is relatively smaller. One thing I must tell you that all the products I have bought or showcased so far, all their prices are less than 300 rupees. Not the cumulative prices, but the individual prices are less than 300 rupees. So if you are planning to buy something in that category, you might consider buying these products based on my feedback and your requirement. Yeah. So the next product here is this long-lasting makeup fixer from this brand called Blue Heaven. Blue Heaven again is a brand that a lot of you asked me to review about different products. I have done a very small brief reel on using Blue Heaven products a long time back. You might check it out on my Instagram. It was a very amazing reel. I had a lot of tough time shooting it actually, and I just hope you like it. Coming back to this video, so I've been looking for a good makeup fixer from quite some time. So Blue Heaven is a company which is doing quite well. The next product that I bought is a little expensive on the side, but you know what, this is a really beautiful product. It's a really makeup must have. Even if you're not into heavy makeup, if you do a little bit of very small, just a touch up when you go out, or you like to look good, look better even at home, or even if you're doing heavy makeup, this is a really good product. I'm talking about this 2-in-1 Stay Defined tube, or whatever you want to call this product, from My Glam. It has a brow powder at one side and has a eyeliner at the other side. I'm currently wearing its eyeliner. I've been wearing this its eyeliner on several occasions, and I must tell you, the color, the pigmentation is really super. The longevity is amazing. The payoff is very good. It is very easy to apply. It does helps you in tight lining without actually struggling to tight line your eyelids. This is a very handy product. Even if you're not much into makeup, you can just slip in your bag and go. Apart from this products, I've also ordered few more products like hair scrunchies, concealer, eyeshadow palette, hairpins, some accessories and more. Somehow I am yet to receive those products, and I didn't want to delay this video further for those products, because as I told you, sale is ongoing and I don't want to miss you on any products that you have liked and you want to buy. Talking about my next video, it's gonna be quite fun, especially if you're a fashion enthusiast, and it is not just for women. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned, and if you have any further questions, do let me know. We'll love to hear from you. Till next time, take care and happy shopping.